Using design templates in PROFIS Engineering is a powerful way to help you save time. Templates let you save typical anchor layouts and default parameters, helping you streamline your design process. Instead of starting from scratch, you can open a template aligned with your company's standards. This helps reduce errors and speed up design time. This is especially useful for typical details like baseplates, ledger angles, and equipment anchorage. Start by creating a new file and editing the design parameters. For example, you can change the concrete strength, select steel column or profile size, and adjust the anchor layout. When you are ready to save the template, click the icon that looks like a sheet of paper with a plus sign. Your template will be saved in the Templates folder. When you open a template, PROFIS Engineering creates a new project file. You can add loads and make other changes as needed. The original template stays unchanged. You can rename the new file and choose a project folder to save the new file. Design templates help you work smarter. This feature helps you boost productivity and is available with a premium license of PROFIS Engineering. If you are using the free standard version, click on Upgrade to Premium to unlock more productivity features. Try it today at profisengineering.hilti.com.